In this video, I'll show you a simple and safe way to update Python on Ubuntu. Start by opening your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time. To begin, check which version of Python you have right now. Type Python 3. Version Ubuntu comes with Python pre-installed, but the version is often outdated. Instead of building Python from source, which takes time and requires many tools, we'll use a trusted source called Deadsnakes PPA. It lets us install newer versions of Python with just a few commands. First, add the PPA to your system. Sudo add apt repository ppa.deadsnakes ppa sudo apt update now install the latest version of Python. For example, to install Python 3.12, type sudo apt install Python 3.12. Once the installation is done, check the version to make sure it worked. Python 3.12 version. At this point, the latest version of Python should be installed. Now, when you type Python 3, your system will use the updated version.